হ্যাঁ।
Hello sir, my name is Shakwat Hussain. My passport number is A11396217. I am 34 years old. I have completed my SSC in 2009. I am a duct production mechanic. I have 5 years experience. I am also can setting industrial boiler, and I work with safety and protocols. Thank you so much sir. Sir, I am also boiler installation working. This boiler is mini boiler. This boiler is hydraulic on 15 kg working pressure. I am also big boiler installation like as 3 ton, 5 ton or 8 ton boiler.